This is Eric Fine with Power Brakes. Guys, I want to show you how easy it is to stow and unstow these Power Brakes. These are the game changers. They can mount to any boat. Look here. It's done. These are the new ones with the quick detach on them. Anthony Owens, Grip and Lip Guide Service. He can get them for you, get them installed. Tell them about them, Anthony.
Hey, total boat control. It's what you need on the water for summertime crappie fishing. You can't beat them. Keeps you right on the brush pile, keeps you on a suspended fish, allows you to move forward, backwards. Boat control is #1 key. Power Brakes.
Go to mypowerbrakes.com.